celebrating Independence Day, I would like to tell all my children, though India is become free, but we are not free from all the unwanted elements around us. We as students should be sincere, obedient, and above all, having to know that this life belongs to God Almighty, never to waste. Always to be ready to be a helping hand towards mother and father. Never to forget the alma mater, the place where you have got knowledge, wisdom, understanding, and above all, the future lies in God's hand. Go, get it, live, and allow others to do.